Give me all your money, punk.
I don't have any money.
What do you mean you don't have money? Give me your money.
I don't have any money.
This is a pawn shop, isn't it? Give me your money.
Yeah, but it is a pawn shop, but I don't have any money.
Why don't you have money, man?
My shop's been kind of going slow.
Why has it been going slow?
No one's been coming here. You're the only one. You're robbing the wrong pawn shop.
Is there any other pawn shops around here?
I don't know.
Well, you didn't tell me, man.
I don't get out very much.
I can tell. You look ugly. You look terrible.
That's not nice.
Well, what else do you have besides money that's worth something to me?
I have this tea.
I don't like tea, dude.
Well, I have this coon hat.
I already got one of those.
Well, I got this shirt.
Your shirt sucks, man.
Hey!
Well, okay, actually, your shirt doesn't suck. I mean, AC/DC, you know, I like that band. It's a good band, but...
It is a pretty good band.
Yeah, I know, you know, it's good. But I don't want your shirt, man. What else do you have? What else do you have?
Well, I have tools.
Tools? What am I going to do with tools?
You could sell them.
Sell them? Why would I sell them to get money when I want your money?
I don't know. I don't have any money.
Oh, what else do you have then?
I have the shirt.
We've already been through this, man. I don't want your shirt. I already have a shirt. I have this shirt. I have a shirt. I don't want your shirt.
Your shirt sucks.
My shirt. Your shirt sucks.
Wait, no way. AC/DC totally beats Rage Against the Machine like 1001.
No, it does. 1001?
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
But Rage Against the Machine is a pretty nice band.
You like this band?
Yes, but I think AC/DC's better.
It is pretty bad. It's classical. It's
yeah.
You know?
You
it's
see.
good. But yeah, you know what? Yeah, it's good. No, you know what? No.
Do you
Don't
want to
get
buy?
me off the subject of your money. Give me your money.
I don't have any money.
Then what else do you have that's worth something to me, man?
Oh, I have chickens.
Chickens? Where are your chickens, man?
I have chickens up to your left.
To the left?
Yeah.
Is that your chicken?
That is my chicken.
That's your chicken.
That's my chicken.
Oh yeah, that's a pretty nice chicken.
Yeah, I know. His name's Jerry. I got him at sale. He's at Target.
Target sell? They sell chickens at Target?
The one I went to.
Yeah, that must be a pretty good Target, man.
Yeah, no.
Pawn shop? This is your pawn shop, right?
Yeah.
Stancliffe? Who's Stancliffe?
That's me.
You're Stancliffe.
Yeah.
Stancliffe.
Stancliffe.
Dude, your name sucks.
Oh, what's your name?
My name's Winston. Way better than Stancliffe.
Winston's a fag name.
Fag? Stancliffe sucks, dude. Who gave you that name?
Well, my grandma gave me that name.
Your grandma sucks, dude.
Hey, don't say that.
Hey, man, hey, don't yell at me.
I'll freaking kill you.
Hey, dude, don't make threats around here. Don't make threats.
I'll kill you.
No threats. You know what? How much do you want for the chicken, man?
If you don't shoot me, I'll give it to you for free.
For free?
For free.
What am I gonna do with a free chicken? That's a useless chicken, man.
Well, fine then. $2.
$2?
5.
5?
$10.
Man, you keep raising the price on me, man.
Well, you told me.
Well, no, but you know what? I'm just gonna take your chicken. How about that?
No, you ain't taking my chicken.
Oh, wait, what are you gonna do about it? I have the gun.
No, I'll kill you. Don't take my chicken. Jerry, run. Oh, my face. Oh, that stupid freak. Freaking pansy.